Hi beautiful igboticnono, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be learning hold on, I told you guys these videos I have them written down, so I just have to do is to always go back to my lesson notes and talk about it. So guys, I have my lesson notes today as usual. Remember, I'm your teacher, igboticnono, in the building. So guys, you really need to subscribe to this channel because I make out time to do this video. I make out time to do the lessons for this video. That is the reason why you should subscribe to me, and trust me, you will learn Igbo on this channel gradually. I teach from simple Igbo to advanced Igbo, so based on your own preference, you're gonna do well on this channel, right?
Getting sick of all the small town talking.
In today's video, we're going to be talking about 22 useful phrases in Igbo language. 22 useful phrases in Igbo language that you always need as a person who needs to learn how to speak Igbo, who wants to learn how to speak Igbo. You will always need these phrases. And today, I'm going to be talking about 22 phrases in Igbo language. Okay, number one is ndewo. Ndewo, that is hello. Hello in English is ndewo. You meet someone, instead of saying hello, you say ndewo. 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 Do you understand? Ndewo. Please watch my lips so you can learn what I'm saying. Ndewo. And number two here is who is speaking? Onye newu. Who is speaking? Onye newu. Who is speaking? Onye newu. Sorry guys, before we go further, you might hear my son's voice in the background. I'm so sorry, just listen to mine, forget his own, okay? Who is speaking? Onye newu. Ebolachi. Good morning. Ebolachi. Good morning. Ebolachi. Good morning. Some people also say Isalachi, so it just depends on the dialect. Isalachi. Good morning also. Isalachi. Good morning. Kachifo. Good night. Kachifo. Good night. Kachifo. Good night. You can also say Ka obo, may morning come. Do you understand? That's your response. Ka obo, may morning come. That's what it means. Ka obo, may morning come. No, the regular one, kedo. I'm sure you all know what is kedo. Anybody that is learning how to speak Igbo, I think this is the first thing they learn. Kedo, how are you? Kedo, how are you?
Okay.
Kedo ka emere. How are you doing? Kedo ka emere. How are you doing? Kedo ka emere. How are you doing? You can also say kekwano. How are you doing? Kedokwano. How are you doing? These are casual, just like saying what's up. Kedokwano. How are you doing? It's just like saying what's up. Kedokwano. How are you? Kedokwano. How are you? Just like saying guy, what's up? You can also say guy, kedokwano. You know, it's still the same thing. Then your response is, when they say kedokwano, kedo, your response is odemma. It means I'm fine. Odemma. I'm fine. Odemma. I'm fine. Somebody comes to your house, you say no, welcome. No, welcome. Like somebody knocks on your door now, you go and open the door. As soon as you open the door, you say, and the person comes and you say no. It means welcome. No. Kedo ahage. What is your name? Kedo. You meet someone, you say kedo ahage. What is your name? Kedo ahage. What is your name? Then kedo ahage. What is your name? Your response is afamobu. Da 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 da. Afamobu. Da 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 da. Do you understand? My name is so and so. Afamobu. Da da da. Whatever that is your name, you can put it there. Afamobu. Onye ebe ka ibu. Where are you from? Onye ebe ka ibu. Where are you from? Then your response is abum onye. I am from. Abum onye. I am from. Then you mention it. Abum onye. I am from. Ka omesia, bye bye. Like you're done talking with the person. I say ka omesia, it means bye bye. Some people say ka ode, ka emesia. It's all the same thing. Ya gazieregi, have a good day. You know, using most times ya gazieregi, have a good day. But if you want to start, you know, breaking down what it means, ya gazieregi, it means may it go well for you. Like it's like a wish. It's like people will say offer. It's like somebody, you know, speaking goodwill on your head. Like ya gazieregi. Let's say you visit someone and the person, and you bring so many things from for the elderly person. The person says ya gazieregi. It's like a blessing. But at the same time, you can say ya gazieregi as bye bye. So it kind of has two meanings. You can use it as bye bye. You can use it as a good wish for somebody. Ya gazieregi. You know, bye bye. Ahotaram, I understand. Ahotaram, I understand. Ahotaram, I understand. Ahotayim, I don't understand. Ahotayim, I don't understand. What are you talking about? I don't get you. I don't understand what you're saying. I don't understand what you're saying. You understand? I don't understand what you're saying. It means ahotayim, I don't understand. Ahotaram, I understand. You get. So guys, this brings me to the end of the video today. Remember I said 22 useful phrases, and this brings me to the end of the video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned one or two from this. Please save this video in your watch letter and continue to play it consistently, and trust me, you will be so good in speaking Igbo language. I also have a language I'm learning now, and I also save it in my watch letter, and I also refer back to it as well. So it's kind of the same thing. So these phrases here is what you need every blessed day. So you just have to learn it, and these phrases also at the start of your conversation. So you can see them: good night, good morning, bye bye, welcome. They're always the start of your conversation. So there's no how you learn these phrases that you won't be able to communicate at least first appearance with someone. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, support this channel, and give this video a thumbs up. You can also share it as well. So like I said, ka omesia, bye bye.